Welcome to SlowTalk English, the podcast that helps you learn English through calm, clear, and meaningful listening. I'm Daniel, and every week I'll guide you through powerful stories, ideas, and reflections, all in slow, natural English. No grammar lessons, no stress, just real language, real topics, and real progress. So take a deep breath, slow down, and let's begin. Learning English is not easy. It takes time, patience, and courage. And sometimes you may feel like giving up. You may feel like you are not good enough, that you are too slow, too busy, too tired. Maybe you think you've tried everything, but nothing seems to work. Maybe you're comparing yourself to others and wondering, why am I not as good as them? These feelings are normal. But here's the truth. You should not give up. Learning a language is not a race, it's a journey. And every step you take matters. Even when it feels like nothing is happening, your brain is working. Every word you read, every sentence you hear, every mistake you make, they are all part of the process. You are improving even if you don't see it yet. One big reason people quit is because they expect fast results, but real progress in language learning takes time. Think of it like learning a musical instrument. You don't become a great piano player after 1 month. You practice, you make mistakes, you keep going. Learning English is the same. Some days will feel easy, other days will feel frustrating, but every day counts. And let's be honest, English can be confusing. The grammar is full of exceptions. The pronunciation is strange. There are words that sound the same but have different meanings. It's okay to feel frustrated, but don't let frustration stop you. Let it push you forward. Now think about why you started learning English. Maybe it was for work, school, or travel. Maybe you want to live abroad. Maybe you just love the language. Whatever your reason, it's important. Hold on to it. Let it remind you why this is worth it, because it is. English is more than a school subject. It's a bridge to new opportunities, new friendships, new ideas. It gives you access to the world, to global news, books, movies, podcasts, and more. It connects you with people from different cultures. It gives you freedom and it gives you power. When you speak English, you open doors. You can study in other countries. You can apply for better jobs. You can feel confident in international situations. You can be understood by millions of people across the world. This is not just about learning a language. This is about transforming your life. But to reach that point, you need one thing above all: consistency. Even 5 minutes a day can make a difference. Listen to something, read a short text, talk to yourself, review some vocabulary. Don't wait for the perfect moment. It may never come. Use the time you have, start where you are, and go step by step. Also, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are not failures, they are signs that you are trying. Every mistake is a lesson, every lesson is progress. And the more you practice, the more confident you will feel. Confidence comes from doing, not from waiting. And please don't compare yourself to others. Everyone has their own pace. Someone else's progress does not make yours less valuable. Focus on your journey. Celebrate your small wins. If you understood a sentence today that confused you last week, that's a win. If you said a phrase out loud with more confidence, that's a win. Keep collecting those wins. Most importantly, believe in yourself. Learning English is a challenge, yes, but it's also one of the best things you can do for your future. You are not too old. You are not too slow. You are not behind. You are learning, and that's powerful. So next time you feel like quitting, remember this. You've already started, you've already come this far. That means you can keep going. One more lesson, one more listen, one more try, because one day you'll look back and realize you didn't give up. You kept going and it changed everything. Thanks for listening. That was today's episode of Slow Talk English. Subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. And remember, keep listening, keep growing.